Being outdoors and hunting, it's about patience, and it's just an appreciation for the outdoors, that there's something out there in this world other than the city. You know, we're here with our family. We're doing this hunt at Ringneck Ranch because I think it's just a great thing to do. I want my kids to experience it, and hopefully they'll learn from it and they'll get that passion also.
You know, walking in the fields, I think it's really, really gorgeous out here. I have a real appreciation for it now that I've spent a lot of time out here. The hospitality was amazing. The guides were really knowledgeable. I learned a lot.